Shirpur Varwade is a town located near Dhule district in the north of Maharashtra, India. Here they have taken steps towards building a sustainable water infrastructure for their citizens by implementing 24/7 water supply across the town. Considering the current water availability scenario in the world, and especially in this drought-struck area, in order to maintain a sustainable supply of water, it was crucial to install smart water meters in the entire town.
मीटर लावल्यापासून आम्हाला कळलं की आम्ही डेली किती पाणी वापरतो आणि त्याच्यातून मग आम्ही आमचा पाण्याचा वापर जो आहे तो म्हणजे ठरवला की आपल्याला पर डे इतकं पाणी वापरायचं आहे. त्याच्यातून पाण्याची बचत झाली.
As a result of citizen awareness and successful installation of smart water meters, the City Council has noticed significant savings in water consumption and supply process efficiency. Earlier, the water supply used to be 12 million litres per day, but now it has reduced to 8 million litres every day, therefore saving a lot of water. The government directive is to provide 135 litres every day to each citizen, and the city authorities believe that a key success factor in achieving this has been the installation of Camstrip's smart water meters.
आमचा एक अनुभव असा आहे की एप्रिल महिन्यापेक्षा मे महिन्यामध्ये की ज्या काळात जनरली पाण्याचा वापर वाढलेला असतो, अशा काळामध्ये या मीटरद्वारे जे आम्हाला रीडिंग मिळाले आणि लोकांमध्ये जी जनजागृती निर्माण झाली, लोकांनी जो गैरवापर टाळला, त्यातून महिनाभरात जवळजवळ 1.5 कोटी लिटर पाणी आम्ही वाचवू शकलो आणि ते पाणी आम्हाला पुढच्या महिन्यामध्ये वापरता येऊ शकलं.
Citizens have become conscious about their consumption and they are determined to use water wisely. Moreover, they seem to be delighted to contribute to this sustainable approach. Many towns and communities can draw inspiration from Shirpur's water sustainability project. Besides preserving water, it also strongly contributes to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 6 about ensuring availability of clean water for all.